Hi everyone. If you are studying in Australia and you belong from Pakistan or India and studying accounting, finance, and other subjects, and also doing the work there, and you need assistance or help in assignments, quizzes, or any online exam, live help required, you can contact us here on email address or on WhatsApp number, which is 0092 33519001119. So if you are studying in University of South Australia, or here in Deakin University, or here in Charleston University, or you are doing any other diploma or studying in Australia and you belong from anywhere in the world and you have required help, especially in accounting and finance and in any other subject, you can contact us. We will help you. Stay blessed and stay tuned, stay connected. We will help you in assignments, quizzes, and online exams. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.